What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JC, aka Trillin. We back at it again with another banger, man. Hey, and in today's video, we is reacting to. Hold on, let me make sure. EMIN and Join. I don't know how to say y'all names, but y'all song, I guess is KAMNH. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I wanna. It sounds cool. The name sounds cool, so I want to see what it sounds like, and so let's get to it. And I think y'all doing it live, if I'm not mistaken. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I did not expect his voice to go that high. But nah, whatever he's saying is very catchy. I like it. But it's a fire night. Yeah, I like it. Nah, that's tough. He started rapping with it. What type of song is this? Is this kind of like a love song? Like, can you guys like describe the song to me? I'm like lost in what the song meaning is, but it sounds beautiful. I really like this song. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, I'm messing with this mess. Hey, I'm messing with this. Ooh. He got them vocals.
Coming up on the stage.
Thank you guys so much for reacting to this video. It has switched to another video. Sorry, y'all. I wasn't even on that. I was on my OBS part, but anyways, I thank you guys so much for watching that video. Stay tuned for more videos because we got more bangers and more bangers coming. But anyways, hope y'all have a good day. Peace.